Dragon fruit, powerhouse of nutrients. Dragon fruit, mostly known as pitaya, is filled with much-needed nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin C enhances immunity, while fiber aids digestion. Antioxidant properties. The fruit contains a pigment called bethylene that is responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties to help fight free radicals in one's body, reducing chronic diseases. Heart health. Dragon fruit improves heart health by reducing the levels of bad cholesterol and increasing those of good cholesterol with the help of its healthy fats from seeds. Digestive health. Fiber aids digestive health, relieves constipation, and regulates blood sugar levels, thus being helpful to patients who have diabetes. Mango. Vitamins. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, necessary for good skin health, vision, and immune function. Antioxidants. Mangoes contain a good amount of antioxidants: quercetin, isoquercetin, astragalin, phycetin, gallic acid, and methyl gallate, which protect against some cancers and cardiovascular diseases. Digestive health. This fruit contains enzymes associated with digestion, like amylases, that break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars and help digestion. Skin health. As mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, it facilitates production of the collagen that forms skin and helps in sustaining its integrity for a more youthful appearance. Papaya. Indigestion relief. Papaya is rich in one enzyme called papain that acts in the process of digestion by breaking down proteins. It offers great benefits in case of indigestion and bloating. Anti-inflammatory. The fruit is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene with anti-inflammatory effects known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Immunity boosting. Papayas are rich in vitamin C, hence, it enhances the immune function of the body to dispel off infections. Skin and hair health. Papaya benefits from the content of vitamins A, which helps in shading off dead skin cells, and hair benefits from folic acid content that enables hair growth by increasing blood circulation. Pineapple, nutrient-dense, extraordinarily rich in some vital nutrients, manganese, vitamin C, and an anti-inflammatory enzyme called bromelain, which is often linked with pineapple. Digestion. Digestion of food is broken down by the actions of bromelain. It is largely a proteolytic enzyme that splits proteins into peptides and amino acids for the body to digest them properly and facilitate absorption. Anti-inflammatory. This fruit contains an anti-inflammatory compound called bromelain, which may help reduce swelling in the body. Immune support. The high content of vitamin C keeps a good immune system, fighting off infections through the body. Bone health. Manganese in pineapple is indispensable for the formation and maintenance of bone. It reduces the risk of having osteoporosis. These fruits, if included in the diet, can have effects on health that range from good digestion to better immunity, improvement in skin, and less inflammation.
Subscribe to watch more videos.